On Thursday, January 29, a seven-member joint delegation from Tripura Motha and Tripura Student Federation submitted a formal memorandum to the chairman of the CBSE in New Delhi. The delegation demanded that Kokborok language question papers for board examination be set up using the Roman script.
Following the meeting, TSF General Secretary Hamlu Jamatia shared a positive update with the people of Tripura. He stated that the CBSE chairman has provided a firm assurance to the delegation, promising to put forth their best efforts to implement the request for the Roman script in future examinations.
CBSE board of Roman script chairman was the highest important Roman script one, but in message someone clear so TSF public so students so what's going to solve support movement of high so CBSE board of so it's a mobile and we are hopeful more result positive so students they public no coin support hamjak masul nangai te roi thoke na chini ko amono
okay sini borong nang sar iya mo implement ang sinayo phale exam mo amti den sai ro ka na tam
naji boto sa boni se power to sa ko implement kagane bo over try ken but jum hopeful amo daitin ngana
Pure report, Chini Khora.